In large-scale operations, time and resources are vital components. That's why machinery is often employed instead of human labor. In today's Machines Visit video, let's explore some remarkable examples of cutting-edge engineering marvels. PackMat System Waste Compactor. Recycling demands robust machines capable of efficiently handling materials. Fortunately, the PackMat system delivers with its exceptional waste compactor, reducing waste volume by 50 to 90%. This is made possible by its 2,300 kilogram frame and a 500 kilogram hydraulic arm, driven by a 58 horsepower engine. Additionally, the elevated cabin design prioritizes visibility, enabling precise control over the drum's position. Steel Coil Handler. This machine efficiently loads and unloads 120 steel coils per hour, critical components for various machinery and materials. With a 36-ton lifting capacity, it can handle 2 coils simultaneously and lift them up to 24 meters. Beyond its strength, it boasts superior fuel efficiency compared to other cranes and ensures safe, precise operations with its advanced safety system. Hydraulic Forestry Winch. The hydraulic forestry winch, capable of pulling trees with an 8.5-ton force, prioritizes safety with features like an auto-stop function, ideal for challenging terrains like mountains. This enhances both productivity and operator safety during operations. Rubber Tire Gantry Crane. The rubber tire gantry crane from Liebherr, with its sturdy steel frame, ensures smooth and accurate handling even at high speeds. Spanning 5 to 9 containers wide and stacking up to 3 1/6 containers high, it guarantees high productivity and reliability through its anti-sway and drive systems. Surprisingly, it's also more cost-effective than comparable machines. Rock Picker. Essential for agriculture, the rock picker from Digital Man effortlessly removes small and large stones from fields, protecting plows from damage. It lifts rocks into a bucket for processing and includes a net to filter out dust, ensuring smooth operation. Weasel Swap Body Transporter. The Weasel Swap Body Transporter from Kamig, powered by a 115 kilowatt engine at 2,300 revolutions per minute, is designed for in-house transport of swap bodies, semi-trailers, and trailers of varying sizes. Its hydrostatic drive minimizes maintenance, making it ideal for demanding transport tasks. West-Tech Wood Cracker. The West-Tech Wood Cracker excels in cost efficiency without compromising productivity. Its robust, low-wear design comes in various sizes for mounting on forwarders, chippers, excavators, or other carriers. Equipped with a powerful splitter, it simplifies the transport of thick trunks. Prinoth Panther T14R. The Prinoth Panther T14R combines top speed with a 13,200 kilogram payload, setting new benchmarks for efficiency and agility. Its lateral reset feature allows quick realignment of the vehicle's upper and lower sections, while the upper portion moves independently of the undercarriage. Liebherr GLTM and GBKF Military Cranes. Designed for military use, the Liebherr GLTM and GBKF cranes feature heavily armored cabs developed with Rheinmetall Group. Built on all-terrain chassis, they excel in off-road and public road conditions. The GLTM 1090-4.2, with a 35.7-meter telescopic boom and 36.6-ton capacity, handles construction, container management, and vehicle recovery. The GBKF specializes in recovering and towing damaged vehicles, offering versatility for peacekeeping missions. Liebherr SK 1265 at 6. As the world's largest mobile tower crane, the 6-axle Liebherr SK-1265, at 6 handles over 250 tons. Its powerful engine, high-performance brakes, and 62.2-meter lifting height with a 10,000-kilogram capacity ensure safety and efficiency. The fifth extendable jib section provides an unmatched 60-meter radius. Liebherr LTM 1450 to 8.1. The Liebherr LTM 1450 to 8.1 features an 85-meter, 7-piece telescopic boom, enhanced by a folding or luffing jib for greater heights. Its Vario ballast system allows infinite ballast radius adjustments, and Eco mode reduces fuel consumption by 10% while maintaining a 450-ton capacity. Zoomlion ZTC 250 NEV. Since 1992, Zoomlion has produced advanced machinery. Their ZTC 250 NEV, the world's first fully electric truck crane, weighs 25 tons and offers dynamic performance, eco-friendliness, and a 35% reduction in energy costs. With a 90 km per hour top speed, 50% gradability, and over 250 km range, it features precise intelligent controls and compatibility with standard charging systems. Grove GMK 6300L. This all-terrain crane, with a 350-ton lift capacity and 330-ton total weight, features a 7-section, 263-foot megaform boom with twin-lock pinning and a 69-foot jib, delivering exceptional reach and power. Sarens SGC 250. The Sarens SGC 250, the world's largest crane, boasts a 250 metric ton load capacity, capable of lifting up to 5,000 tons. With a 100-meter radius and 2,000-ton lift capacity, its 360-degree slew, wheel bogies, and double ring beams ensure ground pressure stays below 25 tons per square meter. The main boom extends from 118 to 160 meters, with a 100-meter jib, ensuring unmatched productivity and safety. Universal Transports. Universal Transport moves massive loads, up to 50 meters long and over 100 tons, using road trains in countries like the USA, Mexico, Australia, Canada, and Argentina. These trucks maximize efficiency by carrying multiple items per trip, supported by a comprehensive service that handles logistics, customs, and delivery across Europe. Putzmeister Concrete Mixcrete 5. The Putzmeister Mixcrete 5, a low-profile concrete mixer, can handle 5 cubic meters of concrete. Powered by a 168-kilowatt, 6-cylinder Cat diesel engine with altitude correction, it performs reliably at up to 5,000 meters. An optional additive system enhances shotcrete logistics, while safety features like a protective cabin grid and operational displays ensure worker safety. Shantue DL300G Dozer Loader. Launched in August 2025, the Shantue DL300G Dozer Loader excels in excavating, loading, backfilling, and grading. Its eco mode and auto-idle reduce fuel consumption while maintaining productivity. Powered by a Yuchai WP10H Stage 4 engine, its hydrostatic technology ensures efficiency, energy savings, and ergonomic design. Shantue DH46C3. The Shantue DH46C3 hydrostatic bulldozer features advanced technologies, reducing fuel use by 15% with eco mode. Its Linde hydraulic components and Shantue's power match technology enhance drive efficiency. Features like load adaptive controls, reverse gear acceleration, and a tiltable cab improve productivity and maintenance ease, with 70% fewer drive components for greater reliability. Lugong 952E excavator. In the past 60 years, Lugong has invested in research and development, embraced change, and grown into one of the most successful industrial equipment manufacturers. Lugong was established in 1958, and in 1966 it presented China with its very first sophisticated wheel loader. Since then, the company has expanded to include 19 various product lines. You can get the power and flexibility you need from the excavators manufactured by Lugong. When machines are continually utilized for excavation, lifting, and loading, there is a possibility that they will become overworked. That's why the Lugong 952E excavator is made with an X-shaped structure composed of high-strength tensile steel, making the undercarriage of the 952E able to withstand the harshest environmental conditions. The 952E's long track beam and crawler mechanism are responsible for its greater stability. Moreover, the structure helps to avoid unnecessary stress from being placed on essential components such as the travel motor. Because the hydraulic system is so effective at directing force and fine-tuning control precisely where the operator wants it, even the most demanding chores become child's play when using it. Because of the onboard monitoring, the machine operator does not even have to get up from his seat to check on the machine's vital signs. The LCD screen provides the operator with information that helps in the servicing and maintenance of the machine. This information includes the current oil temperature and pressure, reminders for when maintenance is due, and other helpful tips. Lugong's vast line of excavators include compact machines appropriate for use in limited places and powerful machines that can tackle the most difficult tasks. Liebherr HS8200S. The Liebherr company was established at the same time as the tower crane was invented. Within a decade, the once modest construction firm grew into a big player in the sector, producing not only construction equipment but also a wide variety of other high-tech goods and construction-related products. The HS8200S is an upgraded model of the widely used and well-liked HS895 HD that was developed to meet the specific requirements of individual consumers. Because it utilized 35-ton freefall winches and its 10% increase in lifting capability, this design ushers in a new era of innovation within the construction industry. It's no longer necessary to disassemble the machine's railings, ladders, or side platforms before shipping, because these components are now an intrinsic part of the machine. And while the control system for the crane allows for a wide variety of customizations, including both settings and programs, the great steadiness achieved by the vehicle comes from its robust undercarriage, which features broad tracks and lengthy crawlers to support the upper carriage's heavy weights. The Liebherr Group is broken up into 4 distinct subsidiaries. These subsidiaries sell and provide maintenance for various products and technologies in the following different categories: earth moving, material handling, mining, mobile and crawler cranes, tower cranes, concrete technology, deep foundation machines, and automation systems. Evidently, Liebherr is a global leader in the introduction of construction machinery. Atlas Copco ST7LP. Now, operators of 7-ton loaders can feel safe in the knowledge that their machine satisfies the safety standards established by the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards and the Recreational Off-Highway Vehicle Safety Standards. When the loader is operating, a new and improved canopy is now included with the Atlas Copco Scooptram ST7LP. The result is a less noisy cabin and more pleasant to work in, complete with air conditioning and a more spacious footbox. The Scooptram 7LP is a low-profile loader that has a capacity of 6.8 tons and was developed specifically for the challenging conditions that are present in underground narrow vein mining. Because of its length of 8.5 meters and height of 1.4 meters, it can accommodate people with back heights as low as 1.6 meters. It is also incredibly easy to control and maneuver because of its short power frame and long wheelbase. In addition to being outfitted with everything you'd expect from an Atlas Copco RCS-controlled equipment, this one includes a one-of-a-kind traction control system that illuminates wheel spin when going through mud. The loader's regular maintenance locations are situated in an accessible and comfortable manner, making maintaining the loader quick and simple. The time-tested engine and the cutting-edge traction control system contribute to the vehicle's impeccable dependability. As a vital component of a sustainable society and a global productivity partner for the mining and infrastructure industries, Epiroc is an important component. Epiroc is the undisputed industry leader in the conception, production, and distribution of groundbreaking technology for drilling rigs, rock extraction, and construction both above and below ground. Conclusion. That's all from this video. What do you think of these machines? Which one impressed you the most and why? See you in the next one.